Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on the release date announcement of the movie Etharkum Thanin Dhawan.
Yes, so sorry for the poor pronunciation. We are so sorry. Itharkum Thunin Dhawan, I think, and the main lead hero in this movie is Surya
Of course,
sir,
Surya sir.
and the whole video is published by Sun Pictures.
Yes.
Okay, तो
So I
चलिए
think Sun
शुरू करते
Picture
हैं
again
देखते
they
हैं.
have taken credit of this movie, right?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल and the director is Pandi Raj. The casts are already we have told Surya sir and Priyanka Mohan. The music director is Iman, and yeah, so let's get started. This movie is produced by Sun Pictures as we told earlier. So let's get started. We are super duper excited because Surya sir है तो versatility एकदम भर भर के
Of
दिखेगा.
course, Surya sir, I think Surya
एकदम भर भर के
sir,
दिखेगा.
he comes with a movie every year, one or two.
हाँ, and
His quota is fixed.
and that two
those
movies
all
are
movies
awesome.
superb.
Super movie.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's get started. But also, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe channel guys and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yes.
Ah, नया movie. फिर से फरवरी में है another
This
movie.
this also worldwide, right?
वर्ल्ड वाइड मतलब थिएटर में.
Yes.
ओह माय गुडनेस, मतलब कितने सारे मूवीज यार, मतलब लिस्ट बनाना पड़ेगा अभी लग रहा है क्योंकि इतना सारा मूवीज बैक टू बैक है. ट्रैक रखना भी मुश्किल हो जाएगा कौन सा मूवी क्या.
Of course, and
Too good.
this movie I think also it will be the action movie, right?
हाँ, एक्शन मूवी एंड फुल ऑन थोड़ा बहुत राउडी काइंड ऑफ मुझे थोड़ा बहुत लगा गेटअप
Because
क्योंकि
his
चश्मा
getup
वश्मा लगा
and
के
his
his hair
aggression,
style
the way
aggression.
he was showing his aggression
Yeah.
and all, it was looking he will be the rowdy of
He
this
will be
movie.
the rowdy and also it's like having some a little bit some cultural event कुछ हो रहा था, कुछ rituals maybe, and both everybody is like enjoying,
Enjoying and
having
dancing.
fun, dancing, and I really love to see this kind of videos where you are portraying some culture. I really love that. मतलब पहले भी हम देख चुके हैं बहुत सारे मूवीज में. आई थिंक वो रजनीकांत सर का जो एक मूवी था उसमें भी
Yes.
ऐसा था,
वाली
फिर
माई also.
वाली माई में भी था, तो इसमें भी है. तो मतलब तमिल पीपल ऑलवेज लाइक टेक केयर ऑफ showing their cultures,
Festival or
festivals or
cultures,
portraying
right?
their
Yes.
cultures. This is outstanding.
This is outstanding.
Really love
because,
this thing.
because this is the root of everything. And I
Correct.
think not only the past and everything, every generation
हाँ.
they should know
This
what
is only
all
going,
their cultures
forward,
are.
right?
This,
हाँ.
yes, and of course the movies and all is the main thing that can take you to the next level also. Like whatever the culture, the current generation following, the next generation will learn from the movies and all,
Yes,
right? So
true.
it's a very good thing to include this all kind of things in movies as well.
Yes, they are actually taking care of their root also. That yes,
that's
people
true.
should see the roots also of us. And also nowadays the movies are getting loved by North Indian people also in a very broad way. So we also get to know your culture, matlab Tamil people's culture a lot, and that is our pleasure.
Yes.
That yes, this is the culture, this is the ritual, this way you are guys celebrating, and that way like what not. So this is I really love the fact first of all, and secondly सूर्या सर का जो वो हम जय भीम देखे हैं,
जय भीम
उसके बाद तो हम मतलब we were like spellbound. We have already seen the movie and yes, eventually we thought of
Last
giving the
back-to-back movies is very
review also. Yes.
very good. Like Sorarai Putre
Sorarai
and
Putre.
Jai Bhim,
Yes.
both of them was super.
Jai Bhim is like having some another level, guys. Like this is outstanding से भी ऊपर. If you have any adjective, please let us know in the comment bar. That one the movie is, and after that this movie. So you can totally understand how our expectation level has been reached to some infinity level. So
Yes.
really looking
Really,
forward for
he's
this movie
he's
now.
a super actor.
Ah.
Like, since long I'm watching his movies and all.
Yes.
He has been doing great job in the
Great
movie.
job.
Whatever the character he gets to play.
True,
Seriously, he
This is
gives his 100%.
Yes, and also one more thing like this Itharkum Thanin Dhawan का जो मतलब BGM पीछे से बज रहा था, टिरिन टिरिन टिन करके। तो वो वाला बीजीएम भी मुझे लगता है कि इससे पहले भी कोई एक लुक पोस्ट या कुछ हम देखे थे ना,
हाँ,
जो उसमें
yes.
ड्रैग करके जा रहा था,
Yes, yes.
मुझे अगर याद आ रहा है,
Right.
उसमें भी जो बीजीएम था ना, वो बीजीएम बहुत पावरफुल था। मतलब
Yes.
वी ऑलरेडी टॉक्ड अबाउट दैट कि क्या बीजीएम लगाए हैं यहाँ पे कुछ अलग तरीके का, लेकिन यू आर हैविंग द थ्रिल कि हाँ पीछे बज रहा है बहुत ढंढरन ढंढरन, बट पता नहीं क्यों मुझे लग रहा था कि एक फार्मनेस था।
I think it was the combination of both things.
Both.
One was
Correct.
like festive mode
Yes.
also, as well as some kind of action or aggression kind of mode as well.
एक्शन
right?
मतलब जो फॉर्म रफ टफ काइंड ऑफ एक रहता है ना, वो भी था, जो पॉजिटिव सेंस में ही मैं बता रही हूँ, ऐसा टाइप का था। आई
And
डोंट
he's
नो,
coming with a different kind of getup as
गेट
well
अप
this time,
यस,
right?
नॉट श्योर अबाउट द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ द मूवी, श्योरली लाइक एक्शन तो होगा ही, एंड राउडी काइंड ऑफ थोड़ा बहुत अपीयरेंसेस
Right. And
रहेगा।
also we don't understand the meaning of this word, the movie name, right?
The one, yes. What is the meaning, guys? Please let us know in the
Please let
comment
us
bar.
know, yes.
Okay. And yes, February में धमाल होने वाला है। February, I think 4th, right? 4th February
Yes, 4th February
2022. Sun
2022.
Pictures का। Yes. ये मुझे ये चीज बहुत अच्छा
this,
लगा कि हाँ बोलो।
And this they have told that this movie is going to release worldwide. So is it coming
theatre.
in Hindi dubbed also or not? Not sure, right?
That is
So,
really,
but one thing,
I
if
want.
if it is getting released worldwide, at least there will be subtitles for sure.
हाँ subtitle
Because
रहेगा।
worldwide,
Correct.
at least subtitle is needed.
yes, very true. And also what I was telling is like अगर ये वर्ल्ड वाइड में रिलीज हो रही है तो ये मूवी में पूरा जो सिल्वर स्क्रीन में देखने का मजा है वो दर्शकों को मिलेगा, एंड दैट इज द बिग थिंग एक्चुअली, बिकॉज छोटा स्क्रीन में ऐसे OTT प्लेटफॉर्म में देखने में ना मजा नहीं आता। टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, आई कैन टोटली अंडरस्टैंड कि ये पैंडेमिक है एंड ऑल, लाइक अभी भी कोरोना है एंड ऑल दैट, आई कैन टोटली अंडरस्टैंड, बट ये बड़ा स्क्रीन में सूर्या सर का अपीयरेंस आएगा, उनका एक्सप्रेशन क्या लगेगा मस्त, राइट? मैं जय भीम देखते देखते भी ये चीज सोची थी।
Actually, there is advantage as well as disadvantage also for watching on OTT platform, because if you go in theaters for whatever the length of the movie, for say example it's 3 hours, so 3 hours you will concentrate on the movie, all only movie, without watching or touching your phones and all, right?
Yes,
But if you're watching in the OTT platform at home, some distraction will be always there, right?
Yes.
So that difference
A
is
lot of things are there actually, you have to keep in mind that yes, this is the advantage, this is the disadvantage. So everything has, coin has two parts, right? Two faces. So really we are super excited, because as a reactor we are thinking, okay, this many films are keep on coming up, and it is good for us also as a viewer, as a बोल सकते ऑडियंस, क्योंकि हमें हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि नया मूवीज निकलना चाहिए, क्योंकि इन लोगों का भी मेहनत रहता है, everyone's like the team's
not
effort,
a business of just one
not
person.
business, I'm not talking about the business,
That's
but
what
also their
but
hard work.
lot of the people belongs to that
Correct.
industry, and
कितना
they earn a
होगा?
lot of the things, not that also, and theater owners and lot of
Correct.
different group of the people, they earn from one movie.
And they are keep on waiting for
Yes.
years and years that yes, one movie will be released, and they are giving their 100%, 200%, 300%, like their hard work, everything is there, right? They are everything, they are day night, each and every single thing. So we also want that movie should be getting released.
Yes.
This one is great, the release date announcement, we really like that and really enjoy it. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you love our reaction, please subscribe our channel, guys, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.